Time is money, and how you prioritize tasks, crews, and support efficiency can make or break your profitability. In this video, I will share some important tips on maximizing your efficiencies to make the most of your time. Many contractors we work with focus on cleaning times and maximizing profitability by bidding jobs at high rates while neglecting simple time-saving practices. In this video, we will discuss easy ways to save time and avoid the "I need to charge more" mindset. Stay tuned for some valuable insights. The equipment you choose matters. The first tip to improving efficiency is the standardizing of equipment, tools, and chemicals that you use. Providing every building with the same set of equipment will give employees peace of mind, eliminate excuses, improve morale, and create a foundation for training and accountability. Invest in products that work well and meet the needs of the types of facilities that you're cleaning. Don't forget to train your teams on how to correctly use these items. Be consistent. Having the same equipment across the board is great, but you must maintain it to ensure top efficiency. Don't wait for something to wear out, break, or disappear before replacing or maintaining it. Too often I see taped broomsticks, dusters with one feather left, spray bottles with broken triggers, dirty towels being reused, and malfunctioning dilution control systems. Show your team how to properly care for the items that they're using and create a system that makes it easy for employees to report broken equipment and request restocks. Maintain a standard for your equipment so that you and your employees can start right away without struggling with poorly maintained tools. Keeping your storage closets organized and clean will instill pride and set expectations for your teams. Label shelves where items should be placed and invest in racks and wall-mounted hangers. In most cases, your customer will assist with this, so ask if they can provide these items. Remember, this is your office, and its appearance reflects your professionalism and commitment to standards. Organization improves efficiency because employees know where everything is and aren't hunting for items when they arrive. If you operate out of a vehicle, set it up one way and keep it that way. We could delve deeply into how to organize crews and minimize downtime, but for now, here's the most important tip to save time. All employees need to start at the same time with a stand-up meeting before each shift. This check-in is an opportunity to discuss training, complaints, and goals. When crew members start at different times, it breeds disconnection, animosity, and a lack of continuity. Always start with a stand-up meeting. If you're reacting to complaints, you're wasting time. Professionals look for potential complaints before they are reported and train team members to address them. Waiting for complaints leads to extra work and expectations for employees to clean better and do more, which can cause frustration and misunderstandings about job responsibilities. Instead, visit accounts regularly and perform quality assurance checks using standardized checklists. Share your findings with your team and take corrective action to improve services. Take this opportunity to offer additional training to employees. Being proactive in your quality assurance will maintain a standard of service and work expectation, avoiding these issues. Be proactive. These tips will save you time and money. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We post a new video every Wednesday. Don't miss out. Until next time, we'll see you later.